Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Power One PFC500 is an open chassis mount fixed DC power supply that has an output of 24 volts DC at 21 amps total current. This power supply is mounted within a semiconductor tool and is used for all the major control voltages in the process. This power supply came to ERD with a voltage limit problem, and after a complete and full rebuild, we were able to bring it back to its original specification. As shown in the video, we were able to use our programmable load to fully test this power supply. At ERD, we always load variable DC power supplies at multiple outputs and multiple current loads to ensure the power supply is fully capable out in the field. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.